Hi everyone! We are finally back home in Denmark and I'm standing in our garden in front of our main house. I wanted to show you around in my new workshop, which you see behind this building. So I have the main house over here and let's go in and have a look at my workshop. This is the entry to my workshop. Over here we have the main house, so it's not far away from each other. But now I can shut the door and I can make my tutorial videos just for you. So it's a bit messy and I need my husband to empty all these shelves because it's filled with his stuff. But this is my workspace. I have this long, nice table to work on, and I of course have to build a lot of storage. In Denmark I already have my Creality Falcon A1 laser, I have my laser picker LP4, and I have this big Weaver 100 watt CO2 laser. I also have a Agma P3 Tune 1 and 48 watt module. I have a laser picker LP5 and LP2. I have a Ortua R2 laser and I have the Creality Falcon 22 watt laser. So I am really excited for my lasers to arrive, and I'm building my own pallet furnitures to have my lasers on top of, and I'll make a little shelf between so I can store some of my additional lasers. Over here I will add on some shelves for my spray paint, and I'm looking really forward to my dresser system to arrive because I'll place it beneath my shelf and I'll of course be storing all my stacking boxes on top of these. Today I will be cleaning and I'll see if I can repaint the wall behind me because I want it to be white, because I will be making a photo studio right over here. So there's a lot to do and a lot of cleaning to do, which I will do today. So hopefully I'll see you soon. If you are interested in a new laser or discounts, please check out my link below or visit my website mimodesignlaserfiles.com. You can also head over to my Etsy shop where I sell digital files for pretty much anything and everything. And I really look forward to seeing you again.